Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today we are doing an unboxing or an unbagging. I went to the Coach outlet over the weekend and picked up 3 new handbags, and I thought that I would share them with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I know this was supposed to be a fashion video, lookbook number 2. I just don't have everything in, and I really wanted to get a few more items to just kind of top it off. So it will be next Friday, but I thought we'd do a fun little unboxing. Some of you have asked on Instagram because you saw my Insta stories. And if you're not following me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. So the reason that I'm even going to show you these is because as of right now, these are still available. And you can get them online. You don't have to be in a, you don't have to be near a Coach outlet. You can get them online through coachoutlet.com. And as always, I'll list everything in the description box. So let's get started. All right, so the first bag I actually saw was online and I really wanted it. And when things go on sale, they make me a very, very happy person. It's in my DNA. This one was originally $350 and I paid $99 for it. And it is absolutely perfect for spring and summer because it is a gorgeous white. It has the gold hardware, zippered front here. There has the beautiful little Coach logo here. On the back, there's a place where you could sneak your cell phone in. And then when you open it up, knock everything over. When you open it up, there is, let's see, there is a zippered pouch here, right here, a nice big one. And then there are 2 little smaller ones right here, which is pretty typical for a tote bag. I love a good tote. And let me just show you what this looks like. Let me just stand up here and you can see it's a great length. I think it's just beautiful. So pretty, right? Let me back up a little bit more here so that you guys can see. So it's a perfect little tote. Love this. The second one definitely screams spring and summer. This was originally $495 and I got this one. Okay, so if you bought 2 in the clearance section, you got an extra 20% off. So you got a 70% off and 20% off. So it was originally $495 and I got it for $98. I know, don't you love the prices? Now I love this one because obviously the color, beautiful for spring. The hardware is gorgeous. I love silver hardware as well. And then you just push these little dilly-dallies here together and it just snaps open. And this part, once you snap it open, this part opens and it has a nice big pocket. And here's the little Coach emblem here on the side. And then when you open it up, you have an extra strap. So if you want to do it as a crossbody, you can, or it can just unhook. And then once inside, you have 1 pocket right here on the side, right there. And then the rest of it is open. And then it does zipper shut. So it zippers and it snaps in. Oops, can't see that, can you? There we go. And let me show you. The thing I liked about this one is these straps are long enough that you could wear it, and this is how I will wear it, around the shoulder, so it looks so cute. But if you did want to use the crossbody straps, you absolutely can. So you could put it crossbody and carry it like this, and that would be cute as well. I love this. And there are feet, little silver feet on the bottom of this one. The last bag that I got is not necessarily a spring or summer color, but it's a color I don't have, and it's a color I love, which is green. I think this is so beautiful. I love this color, green. I think it's beautiful. It has the gold hardware. Here's the Coach emblem, the gold hardware on the handles, and then again, it's that pull together and then it pops off. I need two hands. And then it just opens up. So this one is a little different because this opens up and then you have the front portion, which I honestly will probably never use because I just have no reason that I'd use it. And then let me just tell you the price on this. This was originally $498, and again, I got it for $98, $99. This one opens up, and this is more similar to the tote. It has a bigger pocket here, and then two smaller pockets here on the front. And I know it's really hard to see because it's dark green inside. And this is just stunning. Let me show you what this one looks like. I mean, I'm madly in love with this. I love this design. Again, so pretty. This has the gold feet on the bottom to protect it. Back out just a little so that you guys can see. And just so pretty, right? Just so cute. Love it. So that is it for my Coach haul. I will say that we also, Coach outlet haul. I will say we also hit Under Armour, and we hit it hard. And for my son. For those of you that are military families, you may check with your outlet mall, because not only do they typically do the 40% off, but they give an additional 15 to 20% off for military on top of it. We're a military family. We caught it on the weekend that they were doing 20%. So I hooked my son up with new tennis shoes, new cleats, new everything. I mean, you name it, shorts, shirts, underwear, a new football, and then my husband got some things as well. I picked up one item because I love pink, and it is still cold here. In fact, it is now pouring down rain, and the temperature has dropped about 15 degrees from what it was this morning. So this, let's see what the original price was on this. Originally $55, and the discounted price was $35, and then they took 40% off of that, and then 20% off of that. So I got it around 18 bucks. Steal! And this is what it looks like. I think it's so cute. I like my sweatshirts. I got a size medium. I could wear a small, but I like my sweatshirts big. So I like them roomy. It comes with like a little squishy hoodie that pulls over. I love the color. It is nice and roomy and big, and it is super soft. So I will try and find this. I know I can find the bags, at least I think I can. I will list them in the description box, and if I can find the Under Armour sweatshirt, because sometimes on their outlet I can find it online as well. So that's it, guys. That's my for me anyways. I did also pick up a zipper jacket from Under Armour as well in a navy. Really cute because it's cinched in the back, which I love. I wore it working out for the last 2 days, so it's actually in the laundry. So guys, that is it for Coach outlet shopping haul, handbag shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the handbags. I'm pretty excited to start using them. I haven't used them because I wanted to show them to you first. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday, And then don't forget, next Friday, I will absolutely have the second lookbook, spring lookbook for you guys. And then I have some other fashion hauls designed as well. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And I will see you next week. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.